Welcome back, plant enthusiasts. Today we're spotlighting a fascinating and unique plant, the Tolmiea, also known as the piggyback plant. The piggyback plant gets its name from its unusual propagation method. Small baby plants, or plantlets, grow right at the top of the parent leaves, making it look like they're getting a free ride. This is one of nature's clever ways of ensuring survival. The piggyback plant is native to cool, moist forests of the Pacific Northwest and North America. It was first documented by naturalist Archibald Menzies and later named after botanist William Fraser Tolmiea. This plant thrives in its native habitat under the canopy of towering trees, where it enjoys dappled light and consistent moisture. Tolmiea is a compact, fast-growing perennial with heart-shaped, slightly hairy leaves that can grow up to 4 inches wide. Its defining feature is the tiny plantlets that develop at the base of the mature leaves. In ideal conditions, it may produce small, tubular, purpular flowers on long stems, though its foliage is a real star of the show. Tolmiea thrives in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate low light conditions indoors. Outdoors, it prefers partial to full shade. It grows best in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Standard potting mix with added peat or compost works well. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. It prefers cooler temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It thrives in high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly if the air is dry. Feed monthly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. And trim back older leaves to encourage fresh growth and remove any yellowing foliage. Piggyback plants make excellent companions for other shade-loving plants. Pair them with ferns, hoisters, or caletheas for a lush and harmonious indoor or outdoor display. Their trailing habit also complements upright plants in mixed containers or hanging baskets. Tolmiea is primarily grown as an ornamental plant. Its trailing growth makes it perfect for hanging baskets, tabletop arrangements, or as a ground cover in shady garden areas. Its playful and whimsical appearance also makes it a favorite for kids and beginner gardeners looking for an easy and rewarding plant. And there you have it, the Tolmiea piggyback plant. Its unique propagation, lush foliage, and easy care make it a fantastic addition to any plant collection. If you enjoy learning about this quirky plant, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun and educational plant content. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy growing.